Hello students. So today we are going to study the next topic, that is the gaseous state. Okay. So what happens in gaseous state? What are the properties? We'll study through some activities. So before we begin with the lecture, I would like you to subscribe the channel to kindly get the updates regularly regarding the video uploading. Okay. So have you ever observed a balloon seller filling a large number of balloons from a single cylinder of gas? ऐसा possible होता है उसके लिए. So you can inquire from him how many balloons is he able to fill from one cylinder. Okay, ask him which gas does he have in the cylinder. If you are able to answer these questions, you will get some idea about the gaseous state. So here's an activity 1.11. So we take three 100 ml syringes and close their nozzles by rubber corks. Okay, as it's shown in the figure. Okay, you are using a rubber cork to close its nozzle. So you remove the pistons from all the syringes. Piston आप remove कर रहे हो. Leaving one syringe untouched, fill water in the second and pieces of chalk in the third. Okay, now you insert the pistons back into the syringes. You may apply some Vaseline on the pistons before inserting them into the syringes for their smooth movement. Okay, now try to compress the content by pushing the piston in each syringe. So आप क्या ऑब्जर्व करते हो कौन से केस में पिस्टन इजीली पुश इन हो जाएगा एंड फ्रॉम दीज ऑब्जर्वेशंस व्हाट कैन यू इन्फर. सी एक सिरिंज में आपका एयर है. ओके, सेकंड में वाटर है और थर्ड में पीसेस ऑफ चॉक. सो यू हैव सॉलिड इन वन, लिक्विड इन वन, गैसियस इन वन. सो आप जो ऑब्जर्व करोगे बहुत इजीली पिस्टन मूव कर देगा इन केस ऑफ गैसेस, देन लिक्विड्स, और सबसे टफ होगा इन केस ऑफ सॉलिड, दैट इज चॉक पीसेस होंगे जिसमें. ओके, so we observe that gases are highly compressible as compared to solids and liquids. उन्हें बहुत easily हम compress कर सकते हैं. Okay. Liquefied petroleum gas LPG cylinder जो आप घर पे use करते हो for cooking supply, या फिर oxygen which is supplied to hospitals in cylinders, it is compressed gas. Okay. Compressed natural gas भी use होती है आजकल. CNG is very popular as a fuel in vehicles. So due to its high compressibility, हम large volumes of gas को compress कर सकते हैं small cylinder के अंदर और उसे बहुत easily transport कर सकते हैं. Correct? Now, we come to know of what is being cooked in the kitchen without even entering there by the smell that reaches our nostrils. So how does the smell reach us? Particles of the aroma of food mix with the particles of air, spread from the kitchen, reach us and even farther away. Okay? The smell of cooked hot food will reach us in seconds. Compare this with the rate of diffusion of solids and liquids. Okay. High speed of particles is there and large space between them is there, and gases show the property of diffusing very fast into other gases. So that's why you get the smell. This part is really important. So अगर हम एक diagrammatically देखें, we are seeing the magnified schematic pictures of three states of matter. ठीक है, motion between the particles can be seen and we can compare the three states of matter. Solid में देखो काफी packed हैं जो particles हैं. Okay, movement बहुत ही minimum है. Liquid में there is some space between them and some movement of particles is possible. And in gases, you can see so much space is there between the particles and they can freely move. Okay. So in gaseous state, the particles move about randomly at high speed. Due to this random movement, the particles hit each other and also the walls of the container. The pressure exerted by the gas is because of this force exerted by gas particles per unit area on the walls of the container. Correct? Thank you so much for watching the lecture. So we complete the solid, liquid and gaseous state. If you have not watched the previous two videos, वो भी आप देख लो ताकि तीनों का difference आपको clear हो जाए.